Hello, St. Francis families. I'm Tamara Provines, the broker and owner of Own Real Estate here in Wichita, and I have an exciting opportunity for us to give back to St. Francis in a huge way. If you are looking to sell your house, I am going to list it for free. That's right, zero commission. Let me break down how this is going to work. If you win the bid tonight, we're going to take that money and give it right to St. Francis and not have a fee for listing your home. Let's say your house is 300,000. A 3% commission seller side on that is 9,000 that you would have to pay to the brokerage to list your home. Instead, the winning bid, let's say it's 5,000. That's going to go to St. Francis, and then the extra $4,000 is yours in savings. This is money that you would have spent anyhow, and it's an opportunity for you to give it to the school and possibly save money as well and not have that full commission that you owe at closing. Also, this is a pledge, so there's not any risk. You do not owe any money tonight. It will come out of your closing proceeds as normal when you normally sell a house. So if something happened that you decide not to sell, it doesn't work out, there's no obligation or upfront money for you to do this. If you want to click below, it'll take you to my website and explain everything. I hope you take advantage of this because this is a way we can give back to St. Francis in a huge, huge way. Enjoy fun night, and I'll talk to you soon.